Viewers and listeners, I welcome you to this channel. In today's video, I want to talk about those of you coming by land to the United States who wants to seek asylum. On what basis can you seek asylum? In this video, I want us to use chatgpt to learn more about how we can seek asylum. Let's start. Let's open our Google browser, open chatgpt and ask chatgpt some few questions, and let's see the responses chatgpt will give to us. So we get to the home page here, and then we open chatgpt, open AI. Okay, so we hit start now, and let's enter our question here. You can type it. I have it already copied, so I'm going to paste it. So what are the bases for seeking asylum in the United States? Let's search, and these are the suggestions chatgpt gave to us. It says, in the United States, seeking asylum is a legal process available to individuals who have fled their home countries and are seeking protection here. To qualify for asylum, an applicant must meet specific criteria. The first one is fear of persecution. Okay, so the applicant must demonstrate a well-founded fear of persecution in their home country. Persecution can be defined as harm or suffering inflicted by the government or by individuals or groups that the government is unwilling or unable to control. So protected grounds. So the fear of persecution must be based on at least one of 5 protected grounds. So the following are the protected grounds you can seek asylum. Okay, let's continue. So the first one is race, second, religion, third, nationality, then member in a particular social group such as gender, sexual orientation, or social class, and then political opinion. Okay, so generally the application for asylum must be filed within 1 year of the applicant's arrival in the United States. There are some exceptions to this rule, such as changes in the applicant's circumstances or extraordinary circumstances that prevented the timely filing. Okay, so non-refoulement. So the applicant must not be eligible for exclusion or removal under certain conditions. For instance, if the applicant has committed serious crimes or is involved in activities that threaten national security, they may be barred from asylum. And then also, when it comes to credibility, the applicant's account of their fear of persecution must be credible. This often involves providing evidence or testimony to support their claims. So the asylum process can be complex, and applicants often seek legal assistance to navigate the requirements and procedures effectively. So now we have seen the basis of which a person can seek for an asylum in the United States. Now, let's go ahead and ask chatgpt, what are some of the questions a judge can ask an asylee? ChatGPT has given us some suggestions. Let's go through and see. Based on what we told ChatGPT, let's see the responses ChatGPT has for us. So ChatGPT said, during an asylum hearing, a judge may ask a variety of questions to assess the credibility and validity of the asylum seeker's claim. Here are some common areas and types of questions a judge might ask. The first one is personal background. So biological details. Can you provide your full name, date of birth, and place of birth? Family information. Can you tell us about your family and your current situation? Then the basis for asylum. That's the persecution details. Can you describe the incidents of persecution you experienced or fear experiencing in your home country? And then protected grounds. How does the persecution relate to one of the protected grounds, which is the race, religion, nationality, social group, political opinion, and then a government involvement? Was the persecution carried out by government officials, or was it done by non-state actors, the government support, or inability to control? Then when you go to the credibility section, you have to be consistent. So consistency. Can you explain any inconsistencies between your statements and the evidence provided? Then details of incidents. Can you provide specific details about the events you are describing, as the dates, locations, people involved? And then evidence. What evidence do you have to support your claim of persecution? Document, witness statement, medical reports. And then we go to the fourth one is the fears and risks. So current threat. Do you have any current threat or fears of being harmed if you were to return to your home country? And then the past threat. Have you faced threat or violence before leaving your home country? And then the asylum process and application, the filing history. When and where did you first file your asylum application? Reason for delay. If there was a delay in filing, can you explain the reasons? And the refugee experience, your journey to the US. Can you describe the circumstances of your journey to the United States? And living conditions. What were your living conditions like while you were in the United States before the hearing? Then alternative protection, other countries. Did you seek asylum or protection in any other country before coming to the United States? And then internal relocation. Is it possible for you to relocate to another part of your home country where you might be safe? And then personal and political views. So political involvement. Have you been involved in any political activities or organizations that might have led to your persecution? And then views and affiliations. What are your political or social views and how might they have contributed to your fear of persecution? So the judge's questions are designed to understand the applicant's situation thoroughly and to verify the credibility of their claim. It's important for the asylee to answer honestly and provide as much detail as possible. Legal representation can help prepare for these questions and ensure that responses are clear and accurate. So this is not a legal advice, but I'm trying to show you how you can use technology to navigate yourself around and also get an idea of what you intend to do. Maybe you are on foot coming to the United States, coming to seek an asylum, but you don't even know the basis on which you can seek an asylum. Using ChatGPT can help you at least get some ideas about what you should do. Also, I want you to realize that these responses that ChatGPT gave to me might not be the same responses ChatGPT will give to you. So you might see some little bit differences, but it all comes back to giving you an idea of what you should do and what you should know before you get to the United States if you are an asylum seeker. Thank you for having the time to watch this video, and please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel so that we can all grow this channel together.